Hello and welcome to my channel, and in this video I will tell you how to maximize your sales with SMS and email, and I will tell you about one of the best platforms on the market. It is called Omnisend to this end, which will help you to reach your goals with ease and with perfect results. So, email and SMS automation is a critical element of e-commerce marketing, and it helps merchants quickly respond to customers' behaviors, needs, and desires. So, and here Omnisend is the best option. This platform lets you send targeted and timely messages to drive more sales, and as a result, you can recapture sales from abandoned cart visitors or increase the lifetime value of existing customers. And over 70,000 e-commerce brands use Omnisend to scale their businesses on autopilot through highly relevant text and email campaigns. So you can combine multiple channels, provide your customers with a consistent, personalized experience by reaching them on their preferred messaging channels. And those can be email, SMS, web push notifications. It's up to you what to choose, or you can combine. So you can save time with pre-built workflows. They have welcome series, product abandonment, cart abandonment, cross-sell, shipping confirmation, order confirmation. For example, for order confirmation, send an order confirmation SMS or an email with purchase receipt to your customers right after they make a purchase. And this is a highly efficient way how to stay connected to your customers and to influence their behavior for more sales, for more buying habits. Optimize and boost your bottom line. Automation splits, tailor your special offers and incentives for multiple personalized messaging paths within a single workflow. Or A/B split testing. Test to see which channel, incentive, or subject line drives you most conversions, and make data-driven decisions to improve your workflows. And when I said that you can do everything pretty easily and you don't have to have a lot of skills to navigate around and form your own campaign and to launch it, because it's all about drag and drop thing, I can show you how it works, and it's super easy. For example, I chose this template, which is a Christmas sale, and what I actually can do here, actually this is kind of like it is made out of blocks, so I can move blocks the way I want and wherever to I want, and of course I can delete some parts, for example like this, and it's gonna be like that. I mean, you delete some parts, you move them, you add some other things. You can have like two phones. So this is like a constructor. It's all up to you how you make it, and that's beautiful. Again, you have a variety of pictures to choose from, and whatever should be in your campaign you can include. But let's get everything as it is, feature by feature. So, beautiful personalized email campaigns, as easy as 1, 2, 3, as they said it. So, this is one of the major features of Omnisend, and they offer an intuitive drag and drop editor in stunning email templates, which makes building professional looking emails a breeze. The beauty of their email marketing templates is that no coding skills are required, and added the content blocks by adding recommended products or dynamic discount codes to give a personalized touch to every email that you send or create. Since the software is connected to your store, you can add products from your collections directly to the emails. The product picker features automatically imports all pricing, image, and description onto the email. Rather than inputting your logo, fonts, and colors, all branding elements are automatically taken from your store and imported onto the email templates. This saves you time and lets you quickly set up your email sequences. So, you get more sales with these features that are available with email campaigns. And there is another one which is called SMS campaigns. So, SMS feature, this is something also super nice because one of the greatest advantages of using Omnisend is that it supports text messages to any country code worldwide. So you can message your audience no matter where they are located. And this isn't the case for many marketing automation software, the one that Omnisend uses, but it's a real problem for other platforms. And many e-commerce businesses will pay for a separate tool to run SMS campaigns. Fortunately, with Omnisend, you only have to pay for one tool to access all of their omni-channel marketing needs. And SMS campaigns are the perfect opportunity to promote your newest collections, set up a flash sale, or remind abandoned cart visitors to complete their orders. And it's again pretty easy to do, and you should use it for maximizing your results. And the last thing that I wanted to mention, that is web push notifications. So instantly retarget your store visitors, push for cart abandonment, push for browse abandonment, and push for transactional messages. This is really a bit different from emails and SMS because web push notifications don't require customer related information. It only requires a single click for the visitor to opt in. So, Omnisense web push notifications are perfect for recovering cart abandonment, window shoppers, and new customers. People opting for these notifications will be retargeted if they leave your website without a purchase. Like the other channels, you can target specific customer segments to receive these messages and track the sales from push notifications. Whether flash deals or cart recovery, Omnisend lets you send relevant messages instantaneously through push notifications. Easy setup, audience targeting, and sales tracking. Everything that you need to have, everything is within one platform. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Pay attention to Omnisend if you really want to increase your sales, if you want to increase your profits. This platform is the great option and solution. I wish you a super good day. Bye bye.